go. I will always know everything I need is right here with me. It's time to let it all go, no matter who knows anything about me now. I'm ready to see what life's got for me. I got one thing left to say.
Well, hello. Welcome to Durango, Colorado. This place is incredible. So I'd like to tell you the story of how we got to this location. So we just came from Lake Powell. Lake Powell is an incredible place, but it sure was tough on all of us, including the truck. We noticed on the way over here that the truck was getting a little hot. I never let it get out of control. What I do, slow the truck down so it's not having to work so hard. Don't let it overheat. That's really, really, really bad for the engine. We also experienced the air conditioner starting to fail at certain points along our journey. We pulled into Durango with a plan to clean the condenser. Wouldn't you know, an air conditioning guy pulled up and wanted to take a tour of our camper. And I've been looking around to 3 different auto parts stores and I have not been able to find any condenser cleaner. He goes, hang on a sec, goes in his van, hands me this can. I tried to pay him for it and he wouldn't take any money. Wonderful guy. Durango, Colorado is full of incredibly nice people. The community center down here has like 50 of these electrical plug-in areas with 20 amp, 110. We were able to charge the batteries up. We're running the air conditioner. They're not charging us anything. There's no sign saying we can't use it. We really appreciate that. Can't spend the night in this parking lot though. There's some spots around town that you can kind of get away with boondocking, nothing official. Here, come with me. There's 300 miles of walking path here. And we're talking like concrete along the river, really nice walking paths. So I was walking down one of the walking paths and I ran into this guy named Martin. I was talking to him and asking him, hey, you know, we're waiting on some parts. I got a crush sleeve for my return line, my fuel line that I'm waiting for in the mail. And we're gonna be here till Saturday. And all the campgrounds are booked and I'm kind of in a pickle. I don't know where to go. Do you know of anybody that's got a driveway or a yard that we can park in while we're waiting? And he goes, well, shoot, man, you can stay in my driveway. I got 30 amp hookups from water. I'm right down the street. I'm like, oh, dude, can I pay you some money or offer you some work or anything? And he goes, no, you're good. Don't worry about it. Just pay it forward. So we're going to pay it forward. But for now, this has been absolutely incredible. This town is so full of incredibly nice people and the river's right here and it's a really clean river.
It's hard to imagine a more picturesque mountain city than Durango. Part of what gives this town its magical ambiance is the Animas River. Flowing from the peaks of the San Juan Mountains through downtown Durango and beyond, this river is rich with spirit and history. The Animas River is a 126-mile-long river that is part of the Colorado River system and is known as one of the last free-flowing rivers in Colorado. It's an essential part of the Durango experience. The river's name comes from the Spanish term for River of Lost Souls. No one really knows the exact history behind this, and there are a few different legends behind this eerie name.
Today we are at Pinkerton Hot Springs in Durango, Colorado. It's literally just the rock formation on the side of Highway 550. So we're gonna go check that out for you, see if we can get in it. We don't know. It's a nice cool 60 degrees today and rainy, so if we can get in it, that would be awesome.
So this is the Pinkerton Hot Springs. It was discovered by explorer James Pinkerton in the late 1800s. And back then they believed it had healing powers. They believed that it was good for your skin, it could heal arthritis, and potentially even longevity of life, so it could extend your life out. Hot springs are a result of melted snow and rainfall trickled down through the cracks of the Earth's surface towards the core. After traveling thousands of feet, it reaches a point where it can't go any farther, so it begins to move back upward
using its intense heat to dissolve rocks and anything else that hinders it.
Welcome to Pinkerton Hot Springs.
How warm is it?
It's like bath water that's been sitting for 30 minutes. It's not quite hot. It's not cold either.
As Nick found out, this hot spring is a steamy 95 to 105 degrees Fahrenheit.
I'm 7, and what I like to do is I like to play with dogs and play with microphones. And also, I love your dog.
That's Kai and our friend Brittany.
We met in California, and if you're wondering, my name stands for Ocean. And here's my dog. That's so beautiful. Her name is Tracy, and she's a very good dog, as you can see. My favorite thing about the town that I live in is that it has a candy store downtown. I love Rita Park, but if you guys are not from Durango, then that's okay. Please don't put this on YouTube.
You don't want that on YouTube?
Yes, put it on YouTube. Wait, I want to make a YouTube.
You're gonna make a YouTube?
You're on one right now.
You're on a YouTube.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Sorry guys, I've never made a YouTube channel. Mom, do you have anything to say to the YouTubers?
She can talk all day.
Sure. And also, I love unicorns. Oh, hold on. As you can see, I do love unicorns. Hold on, just sec, YouTubers. Okay. Cruz, if you're watching this, I love you. Pokey doop doop. I had my mom's friend's camera to make a YouTube channel, and they're behind us in a big brown and white truck. I guess it's white. We're gonna go to a river, the Animas. This is Baker's Bridge, and we are here to come look at it, and it's a great place to come swimming when it's not fenced off, because sometimes people can drown in it. So that's all I really know about Baker's Bridge, but it is a pretty nice place. So here's the river. I'm making a YouTube video.
Oh, good job.
The blue-green water and steep rock faces at Baker's Bridge have long-drawn sunbathers, cliff jumpers, and even some actors during the filming of Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid. However, this popular hangout spot has recently had an increase in vandalism, and this summer, the owners of the private property have considered restricting access to this area.
Jumping off this bridge is horrible because you have time to take another deep breath before you hit the water. It's like, there you go. Come on.
I'm gonna videotape her climbing up. I can't really get her.
Yummy?
Yep, gotcha.
Good job.
And she's just climbing without no hands.
No hand.
Video of me gaining. And then my own baby. There's the truck. And then we're gonna just pass these natures. Bye.
2 miles to the trailhead.
And we're gonna go hiking, and it's a very bumpy drive, so I'm just gonna videotape it while we're driving. The crazy driver is gonna make the truck better, so we don't slip.
So we're going on a 30-minute hike up to Potato Lake, and hopefully we find some potatoes up there. I brought my ketchup, and we're gonna fry them up and have some French fries. Welcome to Colorado.
If there is something we need, it's a leap of faith. A step away from the comfort zone and be a little brave. So take a look around you. How far can you see?
We're we're going to Spot Lake to go swimming for a little bit. It's about 2 miles an hour maybe or so. We're just gonna hike up there and I'll keep you on the channel while we're hiking. And of course we got the little puppy.
It's a beautiful world out there.
We're finally here.
It's a beautiful
I will show you. The lake is so clear. It is pretty shallow in where I'm going.
You need a little enlightenment. It'll make you go. It's a beautiful world.
And then I go squat in the water, so I'll see you later. Love you, fans. Bye. So it is not very cold. It's not? No. It's actually pretty warm. Yeah, it is pretty nice. You ready? Bet. And now I'm going in the water.
If you have the will and a moment to spare.
If you guys want to come up, it's going to be a long hike, but it's worth it.
Oh, if you have the will and a moment
And
to spare.
3, 2, 1.
Welcome back to DestinatioNow. Today we're live with time.
We're just heading on over to the other side of the lake. We're about to go get lost on DestinatioNow. We just found some water lilies and we also found some dragonflies. We got a lot of wild flowers. I'm gonna show you some flowers. This is a beautiful flower. Sunflower. They're tiny, tiny. These dandelions, there's lots of them actually. We got some of these Indiana paintbrushes. And then we got some those, and here's some berries. Here's some big paintbrushes.
Yeah, Indian paintbrush.
Indian paintbrush. I don't think we sold this one. Oh, we haven't seen these ones yet. So we have that, and then we have this. We have
Giving us a tour of all the flowers.
and then we have, I collect Chris's if you do not know. But
Okay.
we have these.
It's just a little bridge.
Little bridge. You guys be careful because there's snakes in here. We got some bowl snakes, golden snakes, some cherry snakes. And then we're gonna do this, which I won't pretty much worry about. And then we got that bridge. What? I did it. Cool. So hi guys, I found snails as you can see. I found actually lots of them. More snails.
I feel the earth move under my feet.
I might be on the channel a lot today because I'm hosting, doing a camera on mine too because these friends of my mom's, they let me use this camera and they're actually using a small camera right now. This is my camera for right now, for today. It's pretty cool. It's nice for them to give it to us for a little bit. And also, I'm sorry I'm not looking at you, but I have to walk. We're just about to jump off this cool thing. Can you show them? It's just a little beach and it's pretty nice. I think I'm just gonna jump in for a little bit. Bye. In 3, 2, 1.
Welcome back to DestinatioNow. We're still hiking on this trail.
It's gonna be pretty fun. Got me this flower because I gave him that flower on his face right now. Hi guys, we finally got done from hiking. It wasn't really a long way back. So when the truck, we aired them down because it would help the boats not reach us so much. Say hi to Nick, he's driving.
Hello.
There's Toba's wife. And then there's my mom. Say bye!
Bye.
After a week in beautiful Durango, it's time to move on. There's so much to see and so many people to thank for helping us make our travels possible. We want to thank all of our viewers, as well as Jeff for the AC cleaner supplies, Martin and his wife for their genuine generosity to strangers in a time of need, Brittany and her adorable daughter Kai, not only for showing us their city and hosting, but for reminding us how magical the world is by allowing us to see everything through the eyes of a child. Kai allowed us to recapture the childlike feelings of wide-eyed excitement, spontaneous appreciation, cutting loose, being full of awe and wonder at this magnificent planet we call home.
I love y'all. Thank you. Now you guys have to say goodbye to everybody, okay? Say goodbye to this beautiful man.
Bye.
Say goodbye to this beautiful lady. Say bye to this doggy.
Bye.
Have a nice day. Good night. Good morning. Just click that like button and subscribe. Maybe you guys can see more. Maybe they'll come back from Hawaii. I don't know. Or they might go back to Arizona. I don't know. Well, see you all later. Bye.